In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage teams effectively using Trello, focusing on setting up job roles and tasks. Trello is a powerful tool when it comes to organizing and managing team responsibilities, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to structure your board for optimal efficiency. Let's start by navigating to your Trello board. Once you're there, you'll want to add a new list. Lists in Trello are like columns that help you categorize tasks or roles. In this instance, let's name the first list Operations Manager. This sets the stage for organizing tasks related to this specific role. Next, click on the option to add a card to the Operations Manager list. Cards are essentially task items or notes under each category. Here, type in the name of your Operations Manager. It's a good idea to be as specific as possible, which will make it easier to keep track of who's responsible for what. Once you've created the card, open it by clicking on it. You'll notice various customization options. One fun and useful feature is the ability to add a cover image to the card. Click on cover to bring up these options. Adding a visual element can help cards stand out and add a personal touch to your workspace. Let's upload a cover image, specifically a photo of your Operations Manager. Click on Upload a Cover Image, then select and upload the photo. Once complete, simply close the menu to return to your board. Having a picture makes it easier to associate tasks with the correct person at a glance. Moving forward, we'll add another task card. Hit Add a Card again, and this time enter the job roles of your Operations Manager. This list should include specific tasks or responsibilities. After inputting these details, click on Add Card to save. Trello allows for convenient batch operations too. For instance, if you have several tasks to add, you can click on an option like Create 14 cards if that's the number you're planning to add. This can significantly speed up your workflow. When you finish setting up the Operations Manager list, repeat the process to add another list. Name this one Business Analyst. You'll follow similar steps, adding a card with the person's name, clicking on it and uploading a photo via the cover image feature. Customize the job roles as needed to clearly define the scope of their responsibilities. And that's essentially the process. You can continue to add more lists for every team member or role as needed to suit your project's size and scope. The beauty of Trello lies in its flexibility, allowing you to tailor your board to fit specific team structures or workflows. Enjoy exploring different configurations, and soon you'll be a Trello pro.